Hello. This is River Park North, and I'm in a hammock. I just heard a crow overhead, and there it is again. When we need peace, we come to Mother, and for me, Mother is often Earth. Here is where I find my peace, my contentment, my acceptance. I learned long ago that the best place for me was with her. As a shaman, a witch, a Reiki master teacher, grandmother, mother, and retired teacher of disabled children, I learned long ago to accept differences and diversity in people. Part of my struggle is this. Being able to accept others does not mean that they're going to accept me or other people. Our differences make us who we are. A life lived shows in gray hair and wrinkles. It also shows in the eyes of an 8-year-old child that I love with all my heart. And my daughter's love is real. If I never experience anything else, that is enough for me. For all those out here struggling to find your place, look within, because you never find it without. That part is true about the goddess path. Your best place to find peace is inside you. We can never find it by attacking other people's lives personally. My place in this world is to give hope, shining light where it's accepted. I survived for this purpose and this purpose only. Please find love within yourselves and try very hard, if you can, to accept that some of us will never meet your criteria. Be well, blessed be.